Hey everyone! Today, we're going to see how defect management works in SimplifyQA. SimplifyQA offers 3 simple ways to manage defects. Log them directly from execution reports, add them manually when needed, or enable auto-logging to automatically create and assign defects. Let's start by creating a defect from an execution report. Head over to Test Management and select Test Case. Pick the test case and click on Reports. Open the previously failed execution report. Now click on the bug icon. All the steps to replicate the defect will show up. Assign it to someone, choose the status and priority, give it a name, and click Save. And just like that, a defect ID is created. You can click on it anytime to check all the details. Next is manually adding a defect. To create a defect manually, go to Defect Management and click Add Defect. Give it a name, assign it to a person, select the status, priority, fill all the required data. You can also drag and drop the status of a defect depending on its current stage. Finally, let's enable auto-logging. Switch to the admin portal, search for your project, and go to Settings, General Settings, Defect Management. Here, defects can be automatically logged for both automation and manual test cases. You can also add attachments for better clarity. When you enable auto-logging and assign it to a person, all defects will automatically be assigned to them by default. You can also enable manual defect logging and mandate attachments for better clarity. Once everything is set, click Save and you're good to go. Now you know your way around defect management in SimplifyQA. Keep watching for more helpful walkthroughs.